Hey, if you're watching this video right now, that means that you want to know how often do truck drivers get to come home. One of the biggest myths out there is that if you become a truck driver, you're never going to see your family again. Well, I'm here to tell you that you're completely wrong when it comes to that. My name is Jonathan, I'm the founder of Driving Academy, and we have helped over 5,000 students already go through our program and help them get a CDL license. So I know a little bit when it comes to what the CDL license is all about and what life is like after you get your CDL license. That being said, the main thing that you have to understand is you have freedom. The main goal for Driving Academy is to help 1 million people get on the road to freedom. And the way we do that is we like to make sure that you have options. The same thing happens when it comes to actually working as a truck driver. That being said, there's 3 main categories that you can kind of see yourself in when it becomes to becoming a truck driver. After you get your license, you can either choose to work local, you can choose to work regional, or you can choose to work what's called OTR or over the road. If you decide to work local, that means that you're going to be home daily. Now, what does that actually mean? What time do I get home, John? Do I get to work at 9 to 5? Those are available, but they're very, very slim pickings, which means it's going to be very hard to find. A lot of local jobs are going to be something like you're working because you don't want to worry about the traffic, right? So as an example, if you're delivering things to restaurants or to maybe coffee houses or anything like that, you're going to be working the morning shift, which means that you're going to be getting up at like 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. But the cool thing is you're home after everything's done by 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, which means you can go pick up your kids from school, you can do homework with your kids, and then go to bed with your kids and have that kind of lifestyle as an option. There are other jobs that require a CDL license, like if you're working for the city, maybe like Public Works or something like that, you actually do need a CDL license to work for some of those companies, and those are simple 9 to 5 jobs, which is all local stuff as well. Stuff that works with the port, those are also stuff that you can be home on a daily basis. Now, the next level above that is going to be what's called regional. Now, regional work has the biggest range. So regional work could mean that you're going from state to state in the local area. So for instance, here in New Jersey, you can be considered a local driver, but you're still going to Massachusetts and back, since it's only about a 6-hour drive, 4 to 6 hour drive there and back. So it's not going to be that big of a difference. But when it comes to being a regional guy, that means that you could be going to, for instance, like Ohio. So for instance, Ohio, there's parts of Ohio that are like 8 hours away. You can't go there and back in the same day. That means you're going to go there, take a nap, or actually go to sleep, come back home, and then you can actually spend the night there. Which means regional could mean you're home every other day, or it could mean that you're home once or twice a week, right? So depending on where you're actually going and what actual area that the work is going to be is going to determine on how much time that you're going to have at home. If you decide to be a regional driver, you're actually going to be paid by the mile. So the more you drive, the more you're going to get paid. If you decide to be a local driver, you're going to get paid by the hour, right? And then the next level above that is going to be over the road. Now, consistently speaking, an over the road driver will be out anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks at a time, and then come home for anywhere from 2 to 3 days at a time, maybe a little bit longer depending on the company that you work for, right? Not everyone has to be an over-the-road driver. We help students all the time with our lifetime job placement program who have no experience at all, and we actually help them get local jobs if that's what they want. But some of our students want to make the most amount of money as possible, they want to drive as much as possible, and they want to go see the country for free. So why not get paid to travel if that's something that you're into, right? So the cool thing about being an over-the-road driver is that you're going to wake up in a new area every single day, and the sights that you're going to see is pretty cool, right? So if you're going to see the mountains like this, you might be going to see Vegas like that, or you might just be in Florida and you might see the beach, which means you park over to the side, you go put your feet in the sand, and you're good to go. And you're getting paid for all of this, which is a pretty cool lifestyle if that's what you're looking for, right? For somebody who wants a family, wants to be home all the time, then getting a local job is definitely what's best for you. So I hope that we kind of shed light on the subject on how often truck drivers actually get to come home. Here at Driving Academy, our mission is to help 1 million people get on the road to freedom, like I said. So before you can actually make the decision on where you want to drive, you're going to have to get your CDL license if you don't have one already. Now, in order to get a CDL, there's a 2-step process. Step number 1, you first have to pass a few different written tests to get yourself a CDL permit. Step number 2, you're going to have to pass a 2.5-hour-long road test to get your actual license. So what are you waiting for? Let's get the ball rocking and rolling. Give our team a call at 908-525-3609 or check out our website at cdldrivingacademy.com. Again, cdldrivingacademy.com. Thanks. Have a great day. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.